Hello from my kitchen. It feels like just yesterday I could eat a slice of pizza for dinner and not think twice about it. But let's be honest, things change a bit after we hit 40, don't they? Suddenly, the rules of the game seem to have shifted. What worked in our 20s and 30s to keep us feeling energetic and fitting into our favorite jeans just doesn't seem to have the same effect anymore. It can be so confusing and frankly a little frustrating. One day you hear that carbs are the enemy, the next you're told you need them for energy. It's enough to make anyone want to throw in the towel and order takeout. I hear this from so many women, and I want you to know you are not alone in this feeling. Your body is going through some amazing, albeit tricky, hormonal shifts. Our metabolism naturally starts to slow down, and we begin to lose a little bit of that precious muscle mass. This combination can make weight management feel like an uphill battle. It's not your imagination. It really is a different landscape. The good news is that it's not an impossible one to navigate. You don't need to go on a crazy restrictive diet or spend hours in the kitchen to see and feel a real difference. It's all about making smart, simple swaps. The key is to work with your body, not against it. This means focusing on foods that nourish you from the inside out, providing sustained energy and helping you feel satisfied and full. I want to make you a promise right here, right now. I am not going to show you a day filled with exotic ingredients you can only find at specialty stores, or recipes that require a culinary degree to execute. That's just not realistic for most of us. We are busy women juggling careers, families, and everything in between. My philosophy has always been that for a healthy lifestyle to stick, it has to be simple and enjoyable. If it feels like a chore, you're not going to do it for the long haul. So my promise is that everything I'm about to share is accessible, straightforward, and genuinely delicious. Today, I'm inviting you to be a fly on the wall in my kitchen. You'll see exactly what I eat for breakfast, lunch, a satisfying snack, dinner. These are my real-life go-to meals that keep me feeling energized, help me manage my weight without feeling deprived, and are kind to my schedule. We're talking about meals you can whip up in minutes using ingredients you probably already have in your pantry, or can easily grab on your next grocery run. We'll be building each meal and snack around what I call the golden trio: lean protein, high-quality fiber, healthy fats. This combination is the secret weapon for women over 40. It's the magic formula for sustainable, effortless weight management. Are you ready? Let's get cooking. My day almost always starts with what I call my Greek yogurt power bowl. Why? Because it's incredibly fast, requires zero cooking. It's a nutritional powerhouse. After a night of fasting, our bodies, especially our muscles, are craving protein. Starting the day with a protein-rich meal helps rev up your metabolism and keeps you feeling full and satisfied all morning. That means you're far less likely to reach for a sugary pastry, a bag of chips. Here's how simple it is to put together. I start with about 1 cup of plain, low-fat Greek yogurt. I choose plain. Flavored varieties are often loaded with hidden sugars that can spike blood sugar. Greek yogurt is the star. Protein, gut-friendly probiotics. For fiber and natural sweetness, I add a handful of berries, in season. Blueberries, raspberries, sliced strawberries. Berries bring antioxidants and fiber for fullness. Next, healthy fats and crunch. The toppings. I sprinkle about a tablespoon of chia seeds, ground flax seeds. These seeds give omega-3s for brain health and fighting inflammation, plus extra fiber. For crunch, chopped walnuts, slivered almonds. Nuts add healthy fats and plant-based protein, making this bowl complete. Lunchtime on a busy weekday can be a real danger zone for healthy eating. It's so easy to grab something fast and convenient that might not align with our goals. That's why I am a huge fan of what I call the leftover magic salad. Use leftover protein from last night's dinner as the star of your lunch. It saves time, reduces food waste, and gives you a satisfying protein-packed midday meal. Today, my leftover magic is grilled chicken breast from last night. I'll take about 4 ounces and chop it into bite-sized pieces. Having that protein ready to go is half the battle. Build the salad on a big bed of leafy greens. Romaine for crunch. Spinach for iron and nutrients. Don't be shy. Greens are full of water and fiber to fill you up. Volume is your friend. Now add color and texture. Cherry tomatoes halved, chopped cucumber, slices of red onion, a quarter avocado sliced. Avocado adds creamy, healthy fats and keeps you full. It also helps absorb fat-soluble vitamins. For dressing, I avoid store-bought options. My vinaigrette takes about 30 seconds to whisk. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar. Pinch of salt and pepper. Toss everything together. Under 10 minutes to a filling, healthy lunch. It's fresh, fast, and built on smart leftovers. Ah, the dreaded 3 p.m. slump. It's that time of day when your energy starts to dip, your focus wanes, the siren song of the vending machine, the office cookie jar gets louder and louder. This is a critical moment. Having a planned, healthy snack is your secret weapon to stay on track. For me, the perfect snack needs to be easy to grab. Portable, protein, fiber, healthy fats. A real energy boost, not a quick sugar rush followed by a crash. My absolute favorite, tried and true snack is as simple as it gets. A crisp apple and a tablespoon of natural peanut butter. It might sound basic, but don't underestimate its power. The apple provides natural sweetness to satisfy a sugar craving. The apple gives you fiber and water. That fiber slows down digestion. The natural sugar is released more slowly. Steady supply of energy. The crunch is incredibly satisfying. It helps curb cravings for less healthy crunchy things like potato chips. The peanut butter is the other half of this dynamic duo. I make sure to choose natural peanut butter where the only ingredients are peanuts and maybe a little salt. Peanuts, a touch of salt. This provides plant-based protein and healthy monounsaturated fats. That protein-fat combination gives the snack its staying power. After a long day, the last thing I want to do is face a complicated recipe with a mountain of dishes to wash. This is where one-pan meals become an absolute lifesaver. They are the epitome of easy, efficient cooking. My one-pan salmon with sweet potato and broccoli is a regular in my dinner rotation. Everything cooks together on a single sheet pan. Minimal prep, minimal cleanup. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This meal is packed with flavor and delivers an incredible nutritional punch. First, the prep, which takes about 15 minutes. I preheat my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. I take one medium sweet potato, scrub it clean, and chop it into 1-inch cubes. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates and fiber, providing slow-release energy, and they're loaded with vitamin A. I also chop a large head of broccoli into florets. Broccoli is a fiber superstar and a cruciferous vegetable known for its amazing health benefits. I toss the sweet potato and broccoli with a tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and some pepper. I pop that pan into the preheated oven for about 15 minutes to give the vegetables a head start, as they take a bit longer to cook than the salmon. While they're roasting, I prepare the salmon. So, let's take a quick look back at our day. We started with a protein-packed Greek yogurt power bowl with berries and nuts to kickstart our metabolism and keep us full all morning. For lunch, we used leftover chicken to create a quick, vibrant, and satisfying leftover magic salad, loaded with fiber from veggies and healthy fats from avocado. When the afternoon slump tried to hit, we were ready with a smart and simple snack of an apple and peanut butter, providing the perfect blend of fiber, protein, and fat to carry us through to dinner. And we finished our day with a delicious, no-fuss, one-pan salmon dinner, perfectly balanced with complex carbs and nutrient-dense vegetables. As you can see, not once did we count a single calorie or feel deprived. We didn't eliminate any food groups. Instead, we focused on a simple, powerful principle: building every meal and snack around the golden trio of lean protein, high-quality fiber, and healthy fats. This approach works with your body's changing needs after 40. It's a sustainable, enjoyable way of eating that is built for real life, not for a restrictive, short-term diet that is bound to fail. It's about nourishing your body with delicious food that loves you back. I truly hope that sharing my day of eating has inspired you and shown you just how simple and delicious healthy eating can be. Now, I would love to hear from you. What are some of your go-to healthy meals or snacks that make you feel great? Please leave a comment below and let's get a great conversation started. And please subscribe and check the description area below this video for any free help.